Hello friends, welcome to Techno Boost. In this video, we will see Sketcher module. In this video, we will see basic sketch commands. Click on New. Then Standard. Click on Start 2D Sketch. There are two methods to start sketch. First one is click on Start 2D Sketch. Then select required plane. This is front plane. This is right plane. This is top plane. Or click on required plane, then New, Create Sketch, or right click on it and then New Sketch. Okay, let's start with line command. You can press L for line command or click on line icon. This is the origin. You can see its coordinates 0, 0. You can also see here. Let's start with origin. Just use left mouse key. If you want to close the sketch, you can directly click on starting point or right click, then close. The sketch will be closed. You can see length and angle. If you want to terminate the command, you can press escape or right click, then press OK. If you want to drag, just press middle mouse button and hold it, then drag. If you want to convert this line into construction line, select line, right click on it and then select construction. Or if you want to draw center line, you can click on line and right click, center line. Or if you want to start with only center line, then click on line, then right click, click on center line. Okay. Click on this drop down menu. You can see others line command, lines, spline. This is for it's have a control vertex, and this is interpolation, then equation curve and bridge curve. These are the advanced command. We will see in next few lectures. If you want to finish the sketch, click on finish sketch or right click, then finish 2D sketch. Thank you. In next lecture we will see other sketch commands. Please like it, subscribe my channel and share this. Thank you.